Hey guys, this is Tua with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I have with me here is Ryan. So Ryan, what are we going to talk about today?
So today we want to talk about something that we hope you guys take advantage of, and that's our affiliate program. Now, what exactly our affiliate program is it's something that you guys can sign up for in literally a matter of, a minute? It takes no time at all.
To actually think about that, maybe 30 seconds.
30 seconds? Less than
30 seconds.
Less than a minute. Okay, and what it's gonna allow you to do is you're kind of like a salesperson, but you don't necessarily have to work for it. So let's say, for example, you guys have a vapor honing machine, you like it, you use it all the time, you're doing passion projects, you're working on hobbies, whatever it may be. If you guys are videoing that and putting it on YouTube, what the affiliate program is going to allow you to do is put a link to our website, and if someone clicks on that link from your YouTube video and goes to our website, it's going to tell you, and if they actually end up buying the machine from your link, you get 5% commission off of it. And this works for everything that's on our website. So, like I said, it's a great way for you guys to make money off of the videos, the passion projects that you're already doing just by using vapor honing and just by adding a few links to your content.
If you guys manage some kind of website and you guys do blogs too as well, it's great for you to put the affiliated link into your blogs, talk about whatever that product is, and whoever is interested in that actually clicks on it and buys it from that link, you will get paid for it.
Yeah, and you guys know word of mouth advertising is one of the best ways for a product to spread, and why not make a little bit of money off of it, like we're saying. So if you recommend your friend and he actually decides to purchase one of our machines, if he goes through your affiliate link, you make 5% commission off of whatever he buys. So again, this is super simple to set up. It's very easy to make money off of. It's actually quite lucrative. We have a few people who've made a lot of money through this, and we're hoping to spread those numbers and again, help you guys make money through vapor honing, because we already provide excellent machines and we just hope to help you guys make more money off of them. So again, we hope you guys take advantage of the affiliate program. It's something we're very excited about here, and we can't wait to see what effect this has for you guys. So thank you all for watching. If you have any questions about this, please leave it in the comments below, or you can call us at 828-202-5563. If you guys are actually ready to purchase a machine of your own, again, you can call us at 828-202-5563. We'll be happy to help you figure out what machine, abrasives, everything you need to get up and running in your shop, home, hobby, business, whatever it is today. Again, thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day. Peace.